In this section of the video, we'll examine how the jet engine operates in relation to the overall working of the aircraft. The inner workings of a jet engine are described in detail in another video available from the CCAA. In this video, our focus is on the relationship of the engines to the overall functioning of the aircraft. The thrust reverser assembly is housed in the rear of the engine case, or cowling. This mechanism reverses fan thrust to slow the plane down just after touchdown, which serves two functions. It reduces wear on other parts of the landing gear and allows shorter landing distances. The exterior of the cowling is a translating sleeve that moves backwards, pulling a ring of connected flaps into an angled position to block and reverse the normal path of thrust.